When I was little, my mother used to tell me to take my broom and clean the whole house. I didn't understand why it was so important to keep everything tidy, but I followed her instructions anyway. I would sweep and dust and mop, trying my best to make the house spotless. As I grew older, I started to appreciate the value of a clean home. It was a place where I felt comfortable and relaxed, and I loved the sense of accomplishment that came with knowing that everything was in its place. Eventually, I turned my love of cleaning into a career. Now, I spend my days going from house to house, business to business, helping people to keep their spaces tidy and organized. It's hard work, but I enjoy it. And every time I take out my broom and get to work, I can't help but think back to those days when my mother first taught me the importance of a clean home. As I went from house to house, helping people to keep their spaces tidy and organized, I realized that there was a real need for high-quality cleaning services. Many people simply didn't have the time or energy to keep their homes as clean as they would like, and that's where I came in. With my attention to detail and my dedication to customer satisfaction, I quickly built up a reputation as one of the best cleaning professionals in the area. My clients loved the sparkling results that I was able to achieve, and they were happy to spread the word about my services to their friends and family. If you're looking for someone to help you keep your home clean and organized, I'm the person you're looking for. With my reliable and efficient service, you can trust that your home will always be in top condition. So don't wait any longer, contact me today and let's get started on making your home the clean and welcoming space it deserves to be.